Hi guys, in front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button, tap and hold, keep holding, once you feel a smooth vibration and also see REALME logo, just remove both fingers and wait till your phone is rebooted. Now unlock it and use it smoothly. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.